Welcome to this Onshape part design tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamentals of creating and designing parts using Onshape, a powerful cloud-based CAD software. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will provide valuable insights into part design. To begin, open Onshape and select Create to start a new part studio. Next, choose the desired units and create a sketch on the desired plane. Use the sketch tools to create the basic shape of your part. Once the sketch is complete, you can begin adding dimensions and constraints to define the geometry. Onshape offers a wide range of features and tools for part design. From extrudes and revolves to fillets and chamfers, you can easily create complex geometries. Additionally, the sheet metal tools in Onshape enable you to design parts specifically for sheet metal fabrication, including flanges, bends, and relief cuts. When designing parts in Onshape, it's essential to utilize the feature script language for creating custom features and automating repetitive tasks. Additionally, leveraging the configurations feature allows you to create multiple variations of a part within a single document, streamlining the design process.